Good morning, party people. It is Monday. We are live, ready to get some trades going. I was just over here looking into the news and trying to find cool stuff to talk about.
Yeah, it's a lot been going on. A lot. Just getting my shots up here. It's getting a bit wild. Oh, that's a bit loud.
I know. How's that?
Yeah, it's very, very, very subtle.
How about like a little 11 action?
Yeah, that's all right. That's
All
all
right.
right.
Good morning, everybody. Pat, Bushido, good morning. TM, good morning. Morning, the good one. What up? Love a South Africa person. Y'all have crazy accents, I'll be honest. Good morning, Paul. Nice to see you again.
Hey, Paul.
Waiting
What's going on?
How to react to it. Yes. That's what I'm kind of watching too. Good morning. Glad to see everybody here with us today. Alrighty. So yeah, you wanna pull up your screen and talk about some stuff?
Yeah, give me 2 secs. Just getting this up here. Excuse me.
So
I don't know what my computer's bugging out today.
Some counter
I'm really bugging.
intelligence.
Okay, I think I'm good.
Okay, yeah, don't let me do this stuff.
Okay, I think I'm good. What's happening? Am I lagging out, Abby?
Maybe.
Yeah, something's lagging. Okay, fine. Yeah, I've been having issues with my computer. My computer is like ancient. I need to get rid of this BITCH.
To replace my computer as well. So the best thing is to shut as many windows as you can, especially the live feed windows.
Yeah, I've literally restarted my machine. All right, I've got my stuff up. Let's talk.
These accounts are busted. All right, give me 1 second. You got your screen sharing because I don't see it.
Yep. Oh yeah, it's not presenting. Here we go. Okay. God. No, it's not having it today for some reason. Come on, dude. Seriously. I might have to just give this a little refresh. Yeah, no, it's not having it today. Proper freaking out. Okay, let me try again. Okay. Right, we might be all right. I think it's so slow.
Yeah, something about StreamYard really takes a lot of processing power. While Ken's having a minor computer meltdown. I'm gonna talk about the charts. So I kind of had this idea, and Ken, just so you know, I have you muted. But anyways, I had this idea. Looked at the charts yesterday, and from everything that I was seeing, kind of expected it to come back up, maybe retest in this area, and then continue selling off because we had some movement that we could take down to the downside. We got the point of control up here, which is an 80% setup, but I don't know. I don't know if I could see it going that high. It could just end up being a naked point of control later. Yeah, so generally could see it coming up in this area and kind of selling off, but ready to respond, see if it goes up to there. All right. What is everybody in the chat doing? Ken got a little lost today. He unfortunately is having some computer issues. Yeah, okay, wait, Bushido, the gaming laptops. So what are some gaming laptops that you guys use? Because I'm still having issues with my computer. I got a brand new computer, twice the processing power, and it still lags out. I feel like maybe mine's an Apple computer, so I don't know if that's like bad or not, but see what our little PA is doing. But also, like, my screen right now, I'm running 2 screens, or 3 screens technically. 3 screens, a microphone, a camera. I have a split screen on an Apple, which I don't feel like Apple's really like good for a split screen. Let me see. Don't have any laptops. We're looking at them. Yeah, like this. What kind of laptops do people usually use for gaming? Happy Monday. Oh yeah, so last week I had passed 2 accounts, so I do have fundeds going. I'm gonna trade them like super lightly. Definitely taking A+ setups only, because these are on copy trade, and I have 700 daily loss limit set up on my risk settings. So we're not gonna do anything crazy. Not today. Also, it's a no news Monday. There's nothing on the books really. Why is this line? How my settings get messed up? Start of the session. Previous day should be yellow. Very opaque. There we go. Hello. You are back.
Hey. How you doing?
Fantastic.
Right. Good. I think we're okay. I think we're all good.
Yeah, you're a little loud to me. Maybe I can.
All right.
Yeah, so I'm kind of seeing like, we're probably gonna head up a bit more before we continue selling off. So I'm just waiting to see how this wants to like play out. Oh yes. Whenever you're ready, let me know. I'll share your screen.
I'm ready. Abby, I'm ready. Can you hear me?
Yeah, but just like share your screen.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
All right. Sweet.
See all those paintings you did over the weekend.
All right, cool. We're blessed. We are blessed. We're blessed. Guys, yeah, the moves were massive on Friday. Obviously, like they super exceeded my expectations. I thought, let's just quickly paint a picture, because this week now, from Friday and until, well, the next couple of weeks in the market are just crazy, like really super important. Why? Because the thing is, the US economy is performing well. Strong jobs numbers, 172,000 jobs added, right? And people are underestimating this. The revision, last month's revision number was revised higher from 115 to 179. Average earnings strong. So like this sets a bit of a precedence. The fact that we've got data, the labor market is bullish, that's inflationary. If we've got more jobs being added, wages remain high, that's inflationary. So obviously it's setting a bit of, as I say, a bit of a precedence heading into this figure here, right? These figures, should I say, where we've got US CPI. Now, these are undoubtedly like the biggest set of numbers that we've had in an extremely long time. because it comes ahead of obviously the following week, right? Where we got this man, we got the FOMC, so the new chairman speaking, okay, and setting rates. So inflation is expected to remain sticky. That's why stocks got hammered, right? Dixie rallied, stocks got hammered. Nas, obviously, we're pulling back a little bit now, dip buying, which I mean, there's just stocks are in their own world. But this is very important to just note, and I want you guys keep track of this, right? Look at expectations. They've shifted a little bit again today, but they've come down a little bit. But the hike probability now, as we get later in the year, September, 37% chance. That's dollar positive, right? October, 49.3%. December, 68. This was 70 something this morning, so it's very volatile right now. But what that means is markets are expecting rate hikes. They're pricing in more. Hence, this big breakout for the dollar. We cleared this gap. Remember, I kept talking about it for weeks, saying how the macro case is stacking for that dollar breakout, and we saw it. So now, obviously, markets don't move in straight lines, right? They have to pull back. We have to profit take. We have to correct. And that's exactly what we're seeing with the Dixie. So nothing's changed. This is not like, oh, dollar fundamentals are bearish today. No, not at all. This is just profit taking. So people are taking profits on these longs. We're probably going to want to come right back and challenge this form a gap area, the top of this part of this range, before we carry on. And obviously, macros drive into areas of liquidity, and the next area of liquidity is up here, right? You guys can see that. So yeah, man, I'm looking to buy on dips for dollar this week. How does that mean for euro? Watching this pullback at the moment. Again, here's my drawings, but I was marking up a situation of potential consolidation around here, but we're coming a little bit deeper. But this can come as deep as it wants, really. I think if I just go on the daily moment, for me, there's no reason as to why we can't come up to like 57.70 towards sort of 57.80 and then look for shorts. But I'm not going to try and call the top. I'm just waiting, right? I'm waiting for that rejection candle, that bearish engulfing, and then I'm going to carry on and look for shorts. So, yeah, man, I feel like I've been talking a lot for the moment. Abby, any? If you want to jump in.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's a Monday. There's no news. There's nothing really happening. So just kind of like watch price action, see how it wants to play out. Definitely think that we have room to the upside. Just kind of see what happens.
Yeah, I think it's funny. Stocks had like a massive that was like a big ass drop. That was like a rude awakening. And this was obviously
like maybe that's part of like the new Fed coming in, and people are anticipating that, pricing it in already. Because like even if he comes in and starts chatting and then it sells off a bit more, like we've already taken a pretty big dip. So,
facts. Exactly. Very valid analysis. Like the thing is with this is that nothing has changed for stocks. Like stocks are going to remain bullish. The fact that we're getting rate hikes, like in theory, economics, higher rates mean businesses are going to be paying out more money. It's more cost for them, and so is for consumers. But in a nutshell, if the US economy is still running as hot as freaking is, right, and we've got a decent labor market, stocks can wear those that higher rates. They can wear them, so I think dips are going to be bought. It's priced in, and it doesn't really hit stocks as such, in my opinion, because the economy is so strong. If the economy wasn't so strong, different story, but it's bullish. It's bullish in this, even during this freaking war environment right now, where obviously you taxpayers in America, you're paying I don't know how much more extra, but that's coming out of your taxes, the war. But hey, anyway, we'll leave that topic to the side. So stocks are going to be bought. Dips are going to be bought for stocks. So I don't know. You looking at longs today? We're already up 2% on the day for Nas.
I mean, yes, ideally. I think that we come up and fill one of the imbalances above and then sell off more. So I'm kind of just waiting for this opening range to set, which it just did. Let me pull up mine right quick.
Yeah, quick one. Green Huntsman. Yeah, you could say it's on that, but it's... listen, the people saying de-escalation. The war's been freaking going on since the ceasefire. There's no de-escalation at all. It's probably just an excuse for algos and forever to take profits off the table, but there's zero, absolutely zero de-escalation. It's still going to happen. And watch tonight. It'll carry on. So, I wouldn't read too much into that headline thinking we've got reversals now because, there's peace. There's no peace in the Middle East. This is carrying on. You know, just be frank. You know, people need to wake up. It's not like freaking de-escalating at all.
Yeah,
Anyway.
like even remembering the last war, you know, they thought that was going to be like a simple, pretty little thing, but it was what, like 7 to 10 years, 13 years, something crazy.
Yeah.
Like this don't just come up and then go away. They last. Yeah, so our 15-minute opening range is set.
Look.
I gotta take A+ setups today. That's it. Just the good ones, because I'm in funded accounts and I always trade them a lot worse.
You got a couple of funded accounts now, yeah?
A couple funded accounts.
Big bank.
Big bank. Start from 0.
I'm looking at some longs as well, dollar CAD. This is largely on my watch list for anyone interested. On Friday, we had bullish labor market data from Canada, but the Canadian economy versus the US economy is still underperforming. And when you look at CAD GDP on a month on month is been hit and miss, and more so miss. Look, contraction there. The Bank of Canada, we have their rates this week, but they're not going to be moving. You know, the US are going to be moving with rates, but the Bank of Canada are not. I think I filtered this out, but Bank of Canada is on Wednesday, right? Where is it? Here. So don't expect them to be shifting rates. There's still a massive divergence when you look at rates in the United States, 3.75%. Rates are going to be going up in the United States. So that creates a yield differential. What does that mean? If rates are higher in the US, more money is going to flow into the US in comparison to Canada. So I'm watching these longs. I haven't taken them yet. I'm watching them. I feel like we've double bottomed here at 136, big area of liquidity on a weekly. On a daily, obviously, this is massive bull trend. My only concern is like buying. This is like massive premium, but it can keep going. I'm watching this consolidation at the moment. We're just ranging right now. I was looking at the idea of potentially a simple, very simple break and retest of this area here. You know, watching for that break retest, but we haven't had it yet. I'd like to see a nice big breakthrough, pull back, and then I'll look at some longs.
I mean, that looks like a great trade, unfortunately, not being on Forex right now.
Yeah.
I go with you. No, I do have a account. Are you oh my, so I'm reading some of the comments in the chat right now.
Oh, what's going on?
Or Guat.
Loki.
USD CAD.
Yeah, you see, I was talking about this actually today in the Telegram group, and just saying how, see, I was watching this, and this is, see, guys, this is a classic, right? Where probably people would be taking longs here, right? We've got this range. We've got the upper range up there at 139.50. We've got the lower part of the range. Just a tight range. But then look, we've had these stops. All these stops probably being taken out here, and then a push back above, and it probably will push back above, and we'll get that continuation. But that's why I like to, you know, potentially look for and wait for confirmation of breakouts, you know, rather than getting sucked in and then getting caught done by these fake outs here. So, yeah, anyway. And maybe, to be fair, this would be nice anyway. When I look on the 4 hour, you know, we've got high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high, waiting for this high, low confirmation. Okay, so this could pull back further if it wants to. And then, yeah, I mean, if it's here or if it's here, and then continuation, this is a no-brainer trade for me. This is like a hot, sexy one for me, given the macros as well. So, yeah, we'll look, we'll see. See what's going on in gold.
Hey, I got the comments.
Ken, we'll miss your market briefs. The market briefs are there, my broski. They're in the E8 Telegram channel. I'll put a link in. They're there, Bubba. Green Huntsman, why do I recognize your name? I recognize your name, bro. I don't know who you are, but I know your name, Green Huntsman. Why do I know him? Abby, what did you get up to on the weekend?
Oh, I don't know. I took my skydiver friend, simulated skydiving, so like an indoor wind tunnel. And then we were gonna go skydiving, but unfortunately my rig needs a repack on the second parachute. So so we didn't do that. We went indoor skydiving instead, and then we went cliff jumping, and then we went surfing and then we went surfing again. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Can I just say so? I laughed because you said you did obviously the simulated thing, right? Now,
Yeah.
someone, when I was in my mid-20s, stupidly, for whatever reason, decided to think it was okay to buy me an indoor tunnel experience, right? The indoor skydiving. Right now, I knew shit was going to go south. But so we went in there, obviously watched all the safety video and stuff. And I was like, yeah, do you know what? I can do this. I can do it. And then I went in there. And like, honestly, you know, outside, so people, you have a turn with your instructor and everyone waits outside. Obviously, they can see in and they can also watch on the screen because your experience is being recorded. So I go in and like, as soon as the fan goes, I'm like doing all sorts, like clinging onto the side, trying to get out. Like I'm like this, like clinging on, like let me out sort of thing, like petrified.
There was people, though. There was like an instructor holding you, right?
Yeah, nah, I had to get out of it. It's because I couldn't breathe. Like it's so powerful. And like where I suffer with sinuses and stuff, my nose it was just not having it. So I couldn't like breathe properly. So I panicked.
Like a helmet.
Yeah, it was horrendous. And people would, if you're watching that screen, oh my God. And there's nowhere to like cling on. It's like clawing into air like this.
Yeah. I mean, it's definitely a different type of experience if you've never like went skydiving. If you ever go skydiving, like honestly, I don't think you can, to be honest. I know people who've gone, and I have this little thing in my lap. She's being annoying, but if you ever go skydiving, you can't breathe, and you can't wear a closed-faced helmet. Like, I had a friend who we filmed a music video, and he's actually like a pretty dope artist. He was doing this skydiving thing, but he decided he was going to actually go skydiving. So he went as a tandem. I jumped with him, and he told me he didn't breathe the entire free fall. And I was like, what? Like, what? Like,
wow.
Seconds to a minute. I was like, you didn't breathe? Like,
oh my
goodness. I couldn't breathe. Like the wind was too much. And I was like, you're supposed to like let out a yell because the wind is coming at you so much. You like have to yell to be able to breathe. Some people just do it. They're just fine. But yeah, that's if anybody ever goes skydiving and you can't breathe, just yell. You'll be able to breathe.
Man. I'll be one of those people that, you know, like on the way down, like I'll be like, ah! And then I'll pass out, and then I'll regain consciousness, be screaming again, and like I'll be in and out of consciousness without a doubt.
That's hilarious.
No, honestly, I love rides, and like I love certain experiences like rides, but because I'm secure, you know, I'm in like a harness.
Yeah.
But free falling, just the idea of that, I just couldn't do it, man.
Honestly, like, have you seen how many people get on roller coasters and like something malfunctions and they like, you know, like that to me is crazy. I don't want to be on a roller coaster anymore. Because after skydiving, when I started skydiving, I stopped snowboarding and I stopped rock climbing for a long time because I was like, rock climbing and snowboarding are dangerous. Like, so I obviously have to go through the motions of, you know, dealing with it. Currently, I'm a student and I hadn't had any opportunity to go to trips, experience adventure like skydiving and other exciting activities. I hope to explore these things. You should definitely explore those things. Like, just get outside, you know, like even going on a hike, that adds to your life experience. So
yeah.
Yes. We're dropping right now. I see nothing.
Oh, you took some trades?
No, I haven't traded anything. I'm only taking my A+ setups today. I'm sizing low. I can't. Like, with these accounts, I like to size low. Win a trade, size a little bit more. Win a trade, size a little bit more. And, you know, hopefully don't end up at break even. But dude, I need to wash my hair. My head is so
itchy.
I went into the ocean and then I went into the pool.
Vibes. Ocean and pool. Good weekend.
Yeah, we also like grilled out and stuff. A couple of my friends.
Nice. Love that.
Yeah, very packed weekend. Very packed.
Nice.
I did exactly none of the work I was supposed to get done.
Oh no. Naughty, naughty.
Yeah, I have like a project that I needed to finish.
Oh no.
In my defense, I already did it. They just said, "Oh, we were like expecting this," and I was like, "I'll redo it for you, but I'm gonna do it on my time."
Yeah. All right. Fair play.
The chat's long on EU.
Oh, you're long, yeah? Long at 1540. Okay, fair enough. I mean, that's interesting. I mean, yeah, why not? I'm looking at shorts, not now. It's definitely too late in the day, but I'll be looking at shorts potentially tomorrow. I think this is going to pull back, as I said. And then tomorrow I'll look for something like, the sweep, the Asian range sweep, something like that. Hopefully it presents itself tomorrow. But yeah, I think this could pull back a little bit further. Anywhere in 70, 90, I think that's the ultimate cap for me. And then shorts. So let's see. Why? What's your strategy, Mr. Mohammed? What do you trade? Do you trade? You counter trend trade, or what? Talk to me. Just give it a high, yeah. What's that?
So we broke the bottom of the range.
Do you want to share your screen, Abby? Someone's asking if you share NQ. Oh, it's gone. It's gone.
Not much to see. 15-minute opening ranges here and here. We just broke the downside. Would be looking for this to come back up to the New York, hold resistance, and then get short.
Oh, what is this?
Interesting stuff on a Monday.
Very interesting. Oh. What's this saying? It's only 5 minutes.
I wonder if we just kind of
The hell?
keep selling off. Like we did tap into an hourly for value gap, rejected. So it's quite possible that we just keep selling off from here. That'd be crazy. There's so much room above.
Oh, is he gone?
Who? What? Where?
Nothing.
Who? Rejecting the big in log. No idea what that means.
Oh, frick.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying too, Bushido.
Bushido.
La la la.
So, no one on today?
As of this moment, no. People.
Damn.
Yeah, we lost.
What happened to Tyler?
Tyler was scheduled for last week and then he had to reschedule, but he's on Thursday supposedly. I'm expecting that he doesn't show up.
Yeah, I reckon so.
I will give him a call and make sure he's on. Yeah, Bushido Tyler G. I'll message him right now. He's a little out there and around there sometimes.
Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, interesting.
Yeah, I like him. He's cool.
Yeah, gold took out a lot of liquidity areas just last week, guys. Through 44.40 through 4,400 basically, and now we're just at this area here, these lows. So I would expect that we're just going to pull back a little bit. Where are we today? Oh, we're flat on the day with gold. Super flat. yeah, I mean, I'd like to see this pull back a little bit more before getting in some shorts. Structure's incredibly bearish. The macros are weighing against it. Yeah, but it's
Guys,
just...
if you're not in our Discord, jump in our Discord. We're actually hosting an event centered around the FIFA World Cup predictions. So, should get in there and join that.
FIFA World Cup.
Do you like football?
I do. Yeah. I like football. I like soccer. But yeah, I do. You gonna be supporting the United States of America?
You think so? No.
I said to you. You gonna be supporting them? No.
Probably not. No.
Little football shirt, little USA shirt.
Huh?
I said you wear a little USA shirt.
No, definitely no.
No, not for you.
For me, it'll be like Spain or France.
All right, fair play. Why?
Just because I don't know. I like Spain. I like France. I feel like when I was in Spain, I would just sit on the little patio and there was a courtyard and I'd watch all the kids kicking a soccer ball against the wall and 6 a.m. and just watch the sunrise. And it was just so beautiful and they're so passionate about it. And I just love the culture. You know what? Actually, forget France. I don't like France. Yeah, but I definitely think, they could definitely see some sort of something.
Yeah, fair play.
No, Spain. I'm gonna root for Spain. Italy was crazy. I think what was it, Venezuela and Italy or something were against each other a couple of years ago in 2023. I don't remember.
I'm not sure.
2023 FIFA.
I'm not sure. I don't know.
Yeah. Anyways, I definitely don't watch football all that much, but if it's on, I'll pay attention.
Yeah. Yeah, so just a heads up, guys, if we really did bounce on that de-escalation headline just because there are reports Israel and Iran basically is going to stop the escalation from their side. But Netanyahu apparently is going to decide on escalation and Iran at their Security Council meeting this evening. President Trump obviously has urged ceasefire. Trump, look, listen, this is me being conspiracy theory head or me being a realist. Obviously, Trump, whenever Israel do something, Trump will come out and say, he shouldn't have done that. Trump, and you don't think these guys are not well and truly versed. These guys are well versed with each other. Trump does this for PR, where he comes out and he's like, no, I told him no, we want to deal. But he's obviously, Trump's just playing, the game at the end of the day. They know what each other are doing. So yeah, man, I think as the markets say here, as these guys say, headlines continue to contradict each other. There's going to be contradiction. At the end of the day, just don't be expecting any breakthrough, to be honest. What does that mean for stocks? Stocks will just remain volatile, but dips. I think for me, Nasdaq's never going to, the dips, unless, what would stop Nasdaq in terms of a big break lower, massive, even bigger than this, would be that they start hitting civilian infrastructure. So what we're seeing before when the war kicked off before, I mean, look what happened to stocks anyway when the war kicked off. It didn't really do too much, really. But if they start hitting civilian infrastructure, then it's game over, right? Stocks and everything will come under heavy selling pressure. Otherwise, they're not going to be bothered, stocks. So yeah.
Do you trade AU?
AU,
Australia?
Yeah. Yeah, man. I see.
Finally looking clear. What do you think?
Yeah, it does. It's nice because what we've had is obviously a big break of this area of liquidity here at 71s, right? And you could look at that as a bit of a left shoulder to head the right shoulder. So we've had a breakout, nice big, taking out all those stops there. Obviously, we're in pullback phase right now. I just don't know how far we're going to pull back, but I would love for this to pull back as close as possible to that area of liquidity. Come and retest 71s-ish. maybe what we could do, which would be nice, just me doing some drawings here, is bounce in this channel, continue to pull back a little bit ahead of tomorrow. And then eventually that'll drive us up to this retest within this channel. And then we look at some sales, you know, and then drive that. I think that's going to be quite clear all the way down to 69s, just below here. So in this zone. So yeah, I do like the idea of it. I think we're going to be drawn down to here. So I'll watch that pullback as well. I like AUD because when you trade AUD, it moves quite nicely. It's not too aggressive, you know, it's quite clean. So I think, yeah, if we get that rejection up here, I will look at some shorts. Yeah, I don't know what your thoughts are, Loki. What sort of area were you potentially looking at?
And are you on with me tomorrow or Wednesday?
No, unfortunately not, darling.
No.
Why? What's happening?
Because I need to film some stuff for that TV show. So,
oh, right. I see. I see.
Yeah.
I'll have to have a think, but I know, yeah, it's going to be tricky. Oh, you go to Miami?
Thursday?
Thursday's fine. Thursday, Friday's fine.
Maybe I'll do it Thursday. I just tell him I'm going to send him a video late. That might be better.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, I got to figure out how I'm going to do that. Because
Oogie.
I need to be chill with it, but
yeah,
I think I'm cool with that too.
Yeah, let me know, but hopefully, Angel.
What about Angel?
Wait. What happened there?
Hold on, wait. Give me 2 minutes. Let me see if I can't just set my camera up now, because then, like, at some point, both you and Angel will be on.
Oh, is Angel coming on?
At some point, like, Angel has to come on because, you know. Right, so okay. You just clear my desk a little bit.
Man had a stroke.
What are you having a situation about?
Oh my god! Oh, Bashir, that killed me, man. That killed me. Man had a stroke. You know what it is? I know exactly what it is because I know. It's basically, I'm drinking Red Bull, which obviously I should never be drinking anyway, or have, but it's like my brain's somewhere and then my mouth's trying to keep up. Does that make sense? So it's like, just combust.
Dude, I'm with you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Sometimes I just feel like it's too early. My body's not like right now. I had such a long weekend. I am still not awake, and sometimes I just feel like I need that little bit.
Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. God, I don't know if there's any traders in here that have ADHD. I think in the next couple of weeks, I'm gonna go. I found a couple of good places. I'm gonna go and get myself checked. I know for years, like, I definitely have ADHD traits, and like, it is. People say it's a superpower, and it definitely is for me. Anything that I'm like, any project that I'm on, anything that I'm doing, you know, when I'm back testing or I'm working on a new strategy, I'm hyper freaking focused. But like, there's certain things throughout the day where I am just ADHD is fully kicking in. You know, you try and do this, try and do that, you try and do this, try and do that. You know, or I'll get up, I'll walk out, forget what I'm getting up to go and get. I'll get into the kitchen or wherever, and I'm just like walking around in circles. Then I come back to my office. It's like, what the hell am I even doing?
I'm gonna give you the A to Z real quick. Sorry to interrupt.
Go.
For ADHD, everybody has a form of it because we scroll through social media and change it every like 2 seconds, right? You can't sit down in front of the TV anymore and watch a full TV show without scrolling on your phone or doing multiple things at one time, texting.
That's true.
We live in that kind of world, and the only way to like reverse it is by forcing yourself to sit down, meditate, read books. Like, you remember when we used to read books? Mm-hmm. If you can sit there and focus on something for a long duration of time, like an hour a day, you'll do a lot better with this. It'll start reversing.
Well, no, do you know what? That is freaking valid. And I think, yeah, definitely as society goes on today, we definitely got popcorn brain. For me personally, I believe it or not, I am not a doom scroller. I don't sit on social media at all. You know, the only time I go on there is if I'm ever, you know, posting anything, but I don't consume content. But like this, for me personally, this has been an issue for me for like years anyway. But definitely we are heading in that's very valid what you've said. And I think it's only going to get worse. You know, it's only going to get worse.
If I was a tripod, where would I be?
Under your desk?
No.
I'm going to beat this tism, Mum. You can meet with you can kill tism. Oh my God, Bushido, bro. You are hilarious.
No, you know what? I was talking to one of the producers of the show the other day, and he was like, yeah, you know, like the lady who found me. He's like, you know, like her husband works on that show. Like I mentioned, Love on the Spectrum. I was like, that's my favorite show. He's like, oh, you know, her husband works on that show, and I was like, oh, that's the show I should have been on. You should have put me on that show. Like, Love on the Spectrum instead of like a date. That's me right there. I relate. Oh my goodness, this is not doing nothing. All right, so we have gone back up here. Should I get into a short?
Look at shorts. Shorts.
Like, I want to get into a short, but at the same time,
we like short shorts. Who wears short shorts? I don't know.
Is that SpongeBob?
No, that's a song. Yeah, no, that song. I can't remember who sings it. We like short shorts. Dun 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 dun. The Royal Teens, 1957. You would have heard that song if you heard it.
I know it. I like remember it. I feel like we used to sing it in grade school or something.
Yeah. I think, yeah. Oh, God. God help me.
If I leave you alone for like a minute, are you going to be okay?
No, definitely not.
No.
Definitely not.
I know, I'm a little worried.
Oh, good.
I think we're both just like it's a Monday. I think we're both
come back like the stream. You'll come back and the stream just finished. It's gone. It's not existent.
Be right back. 12 hours.
Oh God.
Yeah,
all good. Good.
Come on now.
I'm really hoping nothing starts losing. I don't know. This is crazy. For anyone that trades dollar yen, like, man, we're literally sitting. Anyone that's holding yen or going long dollar versus yen is asking to get an ass whooping. We are seriously in intervention territory right now. At some point, this is going to go, and you got to be ready. Don't be any EJ longs, GJ longs, because this is going to be met with some force. Where was it last? Here. This is the last drop that we had, April. So that's intervention. Where was the other one? There was another one. Yeah, I'm guessing here. And there was another one here. This one was big. That was massive. They kept doing that. It wasn't just one go. I remember they were doing general operations. Bam, 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 bam. So just keep in mind, we're in that territory again. I might just freaking full port all my accounts and freaking go. Look, shorts from here, stops above, leave some breathing room here, and full port this to the next range of area of liquidity, which is all the way down here. We'll be breaking structure, exacerbate the move to the south. Bam. Yeah. Who's with me? No one. Okay. But anyway, that is at risk. You know what? If it actually makes a potentially good trade, like history would repeat, history would prove that this area should not be broken. And Japan Finance Ministry, these guys have not stopped talking within the past few days, saying they're watching the markets. Look, Japan official calls for forex intervention as a key tool to send message. Japan warns of decisive action to defend the yen as FX reserves tumble. Like, these guys are ready. Like, they tell us about it, and then markets just forget about the fact they've been warning us, and then poof, out of nowhere. So I like the look of these potential shorts. Like, this is potential equal highs here as well. Boom, boom, boom. So I'll keep an eye. I might just take the freaking trade. I might just take the trade and leave some breathing room, to be honest. Do you know what? I'm going to take it. I'm going to be... There we go. I'm going to do this. Guys, and we'll report back on this. I'm going to leave a breathing room just in case any cheeky bastard, excuse my phrase, sorry, anyone tries to stop hunting me. Oh, right. I'm gonna actually take this on one of my accounts, okay? And we'll report back. Obviously, this is a big right.
I also got into a short on NASDAQ. I wanted to say something, but we were...
Oh, sorry about that.
No, don't be. Let me flip over. You guys know my little tradey trade. I am looking for something like that. I want to see how it responds to this level, but as long as we keep momentum and we keep going, I'm going to hold it at least to there. Maybe I can't take one off. I'm like small sized right now. I think I have like one contract each, but maybe we go like there. I don't know, but definitely there.
Same short, sweet lady. Angel, you're a man of your words, aren't you? You're a man
Did you get in that short, Angel? I might add in a little risque.
Wow. Is this was it A+ setup for you?
This is technically, yeah. Like the market conditions or whatever, but
no. Sorry. No, see this. I was just conscious of this, but now we have this is valid for me, but I'm just conscious just because of the big moves that we've seen. I thought let it be a typical Monday, but to be fair as well, we've taken out that high. Oh, that does look good. Nice little sweep there, sweepy. Let me just see. Let me quickly see.
Sweepy.
Let me see. That did engulf, to be fair. We swept the high. We have engulfed. Do you know what? I'm going to take it. I'm going to place stops above here just in case any cheeky bugger tries me. And I'm going to take these lows. Euro. Taking some Euro shorts. Not the risk to reward that I wanted, but it doesn't matter. It's fine. I don't care. Taking it. I don't care anymore.
Doesn't matter.
Leave me alone, Mum. Right, I've taken those shorts. I'm Euro short, babe.
I'm NASDAQ short, babe. 274. I'm placing one. So I'm 2 contracts short on both accounts.
Okay.
I'm looking to take one contract off at the lows, 331, and then take one contract off at the next level, which is like 274.
Nice.
That,
she is a boss.
Or I just say F it and keep them all on. Let's put a lower daily WAP on and check how that's gonna be.
Hello, boss Ken. Hello, how you doing, Summer? Summer. Let's go. You with me, Ken? Yeah, I'm with you, bro. Thank you. I am with you, sir. I am with you. Neon Spark. Like the name, Neon Spark.
Ken, about new IPO soon.
Sorry?
Let me tell you about the new IPO.
Oh, Ken,
the new IPO. Are we talking about SpaceX? Honestly, just don't.
Yeah. Why are you saying don't? What? Because you're saying it's overhyped. It's going to be a big
yeah, I mean, what happens is all these people put their money in pre-IPO and then people come in and they put in money and then it crashes because all these people in pre-IPO are selling, and that's normally how it goes. But expect a merger. Like this company is probably gonna end up being Tesla. So if you're gonna buy anything, just buy Tesla.
Some good analysis. Interesting, controversial analysis. No, I agree though. I definitely think it's hyped up. I think if everyone trying and start buying at IPO, when we do IPO, you'd be crazy.
Valar, I got you. I'm gonna switch my screen real quick to mine.
Valar official. Valar.
Which
Show
All right,
us your charts, Abby.
so yeah, okay. The reason I got into this trade, I trade VWAPs. That was one of my trades. I set the 15-minute high and low, as you can see here and here. Once we get the first break, I do not take it. I wait for it to come back to New York and show resistance. So I got in actually, instead of getting in at the New York, I got in at the retest, this little wick of this fair value gap. And now we are going to hold it until the lows, which are right here. I did add into my position, so I think I'm probably somewhere right here. But as for your stop loss, this would be your previous structure and this would be the structure before. So technically, if you want to make sure that you have like good spacing on your stop loss, something like that would look the best. This is your low hanging fruit. This is the level below. So that's kind of why I got into the trade. But I could see this chopping around for a while. I really could. I could see this doing just God knows what for don't know how long. But as long as there's enough space up here on my stop loss, I'm chilling. And I'm only in 2 contracts, so we shall see.
Someone just asked me about Kevin Walsh. I did a nice video on it, guys. You can check it on my YouTube right there. Go and watch it. I broke it down. But I'm just basically saying that Kevin Walsh is, in a nutshell for you. Oh, my screen's lagging out my computer. Who wants to watch me smash up my computer on live stream? I'm getting ready.
Do it. You won't. Don't talk about it. Be about it.
But no, guys, Kevin Walsh, right? This guy, if you check out Kevin Walsh, this guy, Kevin Walsh. I like Kevin Walsh. When you look at his comments, right, he is very much focused on inflation. So historically, when someone's focused on inflation, that means, typically speaking, they want higher rates. They're hawkish. So dollar positive, potentially stocks negative, gold negative. So I think if
gold
he's
negative?
Gold negative, yeah.
So he wants the price of gold to go down.
No. I'm saying his views are gold negative. So if he's talking about higher rates and interest rates go up, that's negative for gold because the yield goes higher on, for example, in treasuries, and then people are more likely to put their money in treasuries as opposed to gold. Get capital rotation. So yeah, man, he's 56 years old. He's not too old really. 56, not bad. How old was Jerome Powell?
I feel like it's about time that we stop getting like dinosaurs in the office.
Yeah.
People with a little bit more like, relevant views of the now.
Yeah. I hear you. Trump says Fed chair should do whatever he wants, but criticizes possible interest rate hikes. Lol. See, Trump's already getting in there. My man, when was this posted? The other day, 7th of June. Trump criticized the possibility of Federal Reserve raising rates, but said in an interview, obviously he can do whatever he wants. Of course he's going to say that, but then he's arguing that criticize possible interest rates. Of course, Trump doesn't want rate hikes, right? Because when we hike rates, obviously we're potentially cutting some profits off of business bottom lines, so on and so forth. It's not great for the stock market. Trump's always thinking about the stock market as a barometer to his success. He wants the Dow Jones member at 100, was it 50K? Where's Dow Jones trading at the moment? He wanted it to double, basically.
Yeah, didn't he say it was going to double and that put it up at like 100K? It's like 50 right now. Yeah.
So anyway, as long as this guy doesn't bow down to Trump's pressure, then we're all good. Otherwise, if he does, then, he's not going to be hawkish. I mean, he'd be crazy if he doesn't stand his ground.
What do you think's better, though? Like, interest rates going up, or you think interest rates going down?
At the moment, I was saying this morning on my rundown, if I was FOMC chair, I would, as soon as I stepped foot in that, my first press conference, I would raise rates because, man, they should have done this a long time ago. They should have done this after when the tariffs, everything costs started going up for Americans. So I'll be like, Americans, look, I'm looking out for you, my fellow people. I will raise interest rates now for a bit of short-term pain for you. I know we're raising the costs for your borrowing and the cost for your mortgages and everything, but trust me, have faith. I'm going to bring down inflation immediately, and then we can start looking at cooling rates down the line, but let's tackle this now. Grab it by the balls and control it.
Yeah. That part. Like graph.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you both for subscribing to our YouTube.
Nice.
You should
Abby,
probably
are you on YouTube? Are you on YouTube as well?
Not really. Not really.
Not yet. Started posting on
there's
next
stuff on there, like analysis of trades that I did at some point, but
yeah, definitely.
I don't like where this trade's going. He needs to chill.
Yeah.
Chill.
Chill. Who needs to chill?
The trade.
Oh.
Because I got risk settings on, guys.
Yeah. What happens if the AI bubble bursts? Oh, that's a good question.
I kind of feel like we got a little bit of that in the new year.
Yeah. If I keep it real, right? I mean, yeah, don't get me wrong. There's a lot of freaking AI projects and companies for overinflating this and a lot of overinflated valuations and stuff. I don't think it's going to be like, I know people are saying it's a bit reminiscent of the dot-com bubble when we had the massive crash. I just don't think we're in those times anymore. I don't think it's going to be like a big crash. I think obviously some companies and stuff and projects will start to drop off, but I don't think that's going to cause what we saw with the dot-com bubble, where we had a mass wipeout of all those companies. I think there's going to be, if anything, it'd be very subtle. And there's too much, like now, for example, right? Actually, to be fair, in the internet, I guess with dot-com, businesses were really, listen, AI and technology is more important than ever right now, especially in the era that we're in, and everybody is super reliant on it. I don't think we're ever going to get to a stage where we completely and utterly crash. I don't know. Maybe I'm just talking shit, but I just generally think that it's too big for that. Too big for like this big burst of a bubble and crash. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, we already kind of had a correction. I don't remember exactly when it was, but all I remember is my cash accounts going down about $19,000. So, and it kept going down too. I sold because I was like, well, I don't know if this is going to be like a legit burst or if it's gonna, whatever. But yeah, I'm pretty depressed about that. I decided I wasn't going to get back in. I'm probably going to look for some sort of, once the Fed comes in, maybe if it corrects a bit more, then I'll start piecing back into my cash positions. But I'm definitely not going to be focusing on solo stocks because I had a lot of money in like Coinbase and ARK and Tesla and Robinhood. And I had the solo stocks, so I just feel like that probably wasn't the best idea.
Yeah, fair.
Like, I'm pretty sure I bought in the 200s, mid 200s with Coinbase, and it went down to like 100 and something. Yeah.
Coinbase. I was going to call him something, but I'm not the only one, but Coinbase locked me out for a long time, and they were super frustrating to get hold of. Sorry, there's some people shouting outside my window.
Yeah, I mean, Coinbase is not the best, but I know that there are some things on the back end, like that Coinbase. When you talk to anybody who does something in like the crypto space, pretty much the people backing them is like Coinbase. Coinbase is technology. And then Coinbase is also adding stocks to their portfolio. So people could add like stocks, prediction markets, stuff like that. And I knew this because one of my friends, his company, like they are partners with Coinbase. So I found this out and I put money into Coinbase, and then, and all this stuff just decided to start correcting in the war and la. So.
Yeah.
All right, this needs to turn around. I'm getting pretty.
Well, how's your trade?
It's going against me. It's not at my stop loss yet.
Sorry.
Angel, what trades are you in?
Angel. I thought Angel was joining us. What happened to Angel joining?
Oh
Confused.
yeah, true. Well, he's technically supposed to join right now.
Angel.
Let me see. If
Naughty boy.
3, 6.
Whoa, yields. Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel.
Angel, give me 1 second. I'm trying to do something.
Good morning.
Oh, there he is.
Add yourself.
How's everyone doing?
Fantastic. How are you doing?
Great. Happy to join the stream right after I took a loss.
Nice. Love that for you.
That's a good morning. That's a good W.
Oh yeah.
I was shorting the exact same setup that you had because we have a beautiful reaction. Unfortunately, it didn't work. But into the next one. You're in the building. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we're almost 200 people today.
Oh, really? Someone was saying about something about
on the YouTube right now.
Someone was saying about
on YouTube. You say what?
Someone was saying about TikTok. Go on TikTok, apparently.
Oh yeah. We should do TikTok as well. Actually, that's a great idea. We should do TikTok 100%. I do agree.
TikTok.
Let's see. So TikTok as well, sir.
Yeah, man.
So I'm not sure about the poll. I cannot help. Of what?
A cold. Like a cold.
No. Well, I'd say it's because I was at the beach yesterday, so I'm kind of like fancy today, maybe.
Yeah. Fair play, man. My G.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, my face it's burning right now. I think it's kind of like.
Oh shit! Maybe you got sunstroke. You okay?
Yeah, pretty much. I think that was it. Yeah.
Wait, what happened?
I mean, I didn't use sunscreen.
Oh no!
Did you say that? Yeah. Sunscreen. So I'm kind of like. Yeah, I could barely sleep last night because everything burns.
Is it warm where you are? Yeah, in North Carolina, North.
Yeah, it's summer already, so you can just go to the beach, go surf. There's like a hot sun all over. Yeah.
The beach.
I mean, when it's summer, it's kind of like super hot, but when it's not summer, it's super cold. So it's not like there's no balance.
Yeah.
You go over to Wilmington?
Yeah. 2 hours drive. We had some fun. So now back to business.
For me, it's only a 5-minute drive.
Just looking at some of your beaches here in North Carolina.
So it's only a 5-minute drive from me.
5 minutes? Oh, that's great.
Just 5 minutes.
I'm jealous. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm jealous.
Yeah.
I'll be on the beach every single day, every single afternoon.
Do you surf?
I do, yeah.
Nice.
Oh, well, I try. I will say I try. No, I'm joking. My father actually taught me how to surf when I was 4 years old. So I was just a tiny guy on a surfboard. And since then, I just surf automatically. That's how it works.
Love that. Bro, I've tried doing that. I think my balance is really bad. Wait, let me see can I show you this video? Wait, maybe it'll work on here. It's me trying to balance. Oh no, probably won't be able to see, but that's me. I can't even stand up, bro.
No, that looks beautiful.
That's actually
where is it?
That's in Greece. Last summer.
Which part of Greece?
That was a place called Naxos. It's good for surfing, actually. Naxos. Yeah.
Naxos.
Yeah, it's like one of the islands, but really untouched, not too touristy. Yeah.
I like it. I wonder if we're just going to go up here and break both sides of the range, which we're not supposed to do.
Yeah. It's because we're getting out of an hourly gap, so now we're between the gap above and the gap below. So it's trap price action. I'll fairly say that if you were shorting, the hourly gap was actually a nice place to close your position, which I didn't. So now see me getting slapped.
Are you still in it?
No. I already got smacked out a couple minutes ago. We're above the opponent print, so I think we're just gonna run higher for the rest of the week, which is fun. It's fine. I mean, Tomorrow we might see the actual short if we're going to go lower. Who knows at this point? But I'll say like on the first 15 minutes there was like a gray short targeting the hourly gap, and then it's whatever. It's Monday, no news. We had a 400-point movement during Asia. We had 1,300 points on Friday. So yeah, it's what it is. There was something on my mind telling me not to trade today, but I didn't pay attention.
I looked at it. I was like, it just looks like it's gonna chop around. You'll figure.
So we just tap into those highs.
So let's have a look at your screen.
Very high taken. Yeah, absolutely. I need to wait for the. Oh, there you go. Okay, so if you look at this, I think this is too large. Sorry, it's just my wide monitor. Okay, here. So here's the opening print. 9:30. Where is it? I think I lost it. Yeah, this is the opening print picture. Okay. This is the short, the initial short that we had until we tap into the hourly gap. All right, see that as soon as we tap into that gap, now we're rejecting and changing their rotation higher. But we also have a hard time frame gap here. So we are between two gaps. This is strap price action, hard to take. I'm favoring shorts, but just hard to take. Let's see if we had something else after this, after we take that high, and then we can start the rotation back lower, because I don't see the price going any higher from here. I'm going to show you guys why I was actually looking for shorts, because if you look at the 4 hour, this is MQ. I'm sorry, guys. Let me just take a look at this one here. This one. Okay, here. This gap. Can you guys remember this big gap that we were trying to fill last week? Now we're rejecting out of this gap. We're using this gap as a resistance to might go lower. I would love to see this low getting taken this week. But if we use a Fibonacci from this last leg price, we'll still have a little more room until we see discount, right? So maybe shorting here is not the best thing to do, but this is still, I will give it a shot anyways. We can still get it to the 50% before going lower on the higher time frame. So kind of like trading this retracement. What do you guys think on the chat?
That looks nice.
You guys taking longs? I mean, it makes sense. Look at this.
Angel. Oh, quick question, bro. You know how you're looking potentially at that 50% Fibonacci, the retracement there, and the potential rejections. Is that coming to your trading decision much? Looking for that?
Yeah. 100%. Most of the time, that 50%, when this when the price is coming with speed and aggression, you'll see a perfect retracement out of the 50%, and then the price will just continue from there. Of course, you'll see deeper retracement in some legs. That's completely fine, like 618 or 70%. But the 50% is super powerful for an NQ because it tells you where's the discount, right? And we can safely say that we still have some room on this retracement back to the 50%. What I'm thinking is this daily candle closing like this, right? Because we're going to form a new daily gap. If that happens, then tomorrow we can just run the previous day high, tap into the daily gap, and reject lower. So that's why trading Mondays sometimes can suck, because we just, building that price action to do something. But now this is what I'm thinking that can happen for tomorrow. That we're just going to leave this daily gap, and then we can reject tomorrow. So with that being said,
nice. Looks clean.
I don't have anything else. I believe that this tap on the hourly is clean, but yeah, I don't see anything here to engage with this market and longs. Maybe this inverse right here. I don't know. Not for my liking. I really like the shorts here. I actually took a short. I'm gonna show you real quick. I took this short. Got stopped at break even, right? and then I took this short, which it didn't work. I think it's the same that Abby took actually. So that's my day so far. 1 break even and 1 loss. So I'm calling it right now. Can't take anything else. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, today's just like not the best day to trade.
I agree.
Monday.
And
Monday.
it's a Monday. I mean, Monday, no news. And I'll say that fact that we're creating a new daily gap is putting a lot of weight on the price action. Because I think we're just going to range through the rest of the day to set up that daily gap to give a cleaner short tomorrow. It just makes more sense.
Hey.
So if you guys got lost today, you're doing fine because not every single day is a winning day. The same thing is not every single day is I mean, yeah, it's a winning day because you can win in your life. You can win in the gym, you can win with your friends, you can win whatever, but I'm talking about the charts and trading.
Yeah, bro. Factual. Every day we wake up, baby, we've got our first win of the day. That's a major win. We wake up, we are alive. No, honestly, every morning I wake up, I'm like actually grateful that I'm waking up. Have to. Come on, Euro.
You're right?
Yeah, I'm in these shorts at the moment. Oh. Yeah. It's so slow. Super slow.
Yeah, I'm wondering if it wants to like tap into one of these imbalances and then start selling off again.
Maybe if we put like an S&T with ES, should be better to take a short again. Because if we reject out of this hourly and we just create a new gap, then we can terribly say that this low might be targeted again.
Yeah. Kind of how it's
we need more
feeling.
price section.
I have like I don't know. I just feel like maybe it should be done. I already took a fat loss, so.
Yep. You should. I mean, it depends. How close are you from your daily risk? I will say. Say what?
I hit it on that trade. My risk setting.
And then you're done. So lady, ma'am, you're done. You're absolutely done. There's nothing else to do. I'll say, at least for me, when I take 2 shots and I'm not into profit in any of them, it's not my trading day. It's definitely not for me.
Yeah.
That's why I'm just calling it here. I will just say what I'm expecting to do.
I want to know what's the deal with these Forex accounts. I'm in the Forex accounts. The other day we talked about there's a 2% thing.
Did you get the balance removed?
Nope.
All right. Well, I'll reach out to support. I'll reach out to support and see what's going on. I actually got the account. I was up. I don't know, like 1K, but I lost today, so I'm not sure. I should have less because I passed that daily profit cap for like $100 a couple of times.
I'm up 4,700 on one account. I'm up 4,000 on another account. And I'm up 7,500 on one account. So I'm trying to figure out like if it was gonna wipe
how much you really got.
Wouldn't it have? Yeah, right. Like just this. I'm not trying to waste my time on the accounts if it's not.
I mean, you already have some profits there. It's not like you're wasting it.
At the end of it, like let's say I get to the end of it, I pass the account with whatever balance they're looking for in the account. I think it's like 10,000 or something. And then I get there and then it's like, oh, by the way, you didn't pass. I'm not trading these accounts. Like it wouldn't make sense. It's like, well, you might as well just breach me from the start, not waste my time. You know what I mean?
No, you're not gonna get breached. You're gonna get that removed. So I'll reach out to support. See what
I feel like it should have removed it then.
Yeah, you should. It definitely should. Well, this was yes though. Friday shorts, clean shorts. So yeah, we have some room. We have some room towards the 50%. Yeah.
The
Sadly.
audacity of people in the chat.
Hey boss, give me one a country try. Hey.
Nah.
Hey.
No. Do something for us before asking for something, you know? The audacity.
What do we have here? Okay, so my current thoughts on this open, it's pretty much always the same. Look at this framework. We have opening print, we're manipulating lower. This manipulation is tapping into this hourly gap, which is a retracement. And then we're just going to follow and distribute higher for the rest of the day. This is my thought here. Because we're about the opening print. So
yeah,
this low for now is going to be protected. I'll say for the rest of the day. If you're going to take something, you will be looking for longs. What do we have here? The 4 hour. Yeah, 50%. 100%, 50% retracement. You're going to get there today. It's 29,800. What are you guys seeing on the chat? Let's see a poll. See if I can actually frame something. So we're set. What do you have, Ken? Did you take any trades yet? Are you
no, I took those euro shorts. That was it. I took the euro shorts on the sweep of the Asian range high for a continuation. I'm just a little bit skeptical, seeing what I need to see, but it's a little bit skeptical because obviously it's Monday and we had those big moves on on Friday. But I think we should still carry through for what I'm looking for. Just looking to come back to the lows today, but I don't think that's going to happen. Well, it might happen today.
It might, yeah. We have crazy moves in the market. It's crazy that we're just moving that much. Like, this looks like a smaller movement, but this is actually 400 points. This is a lot. I don't know what's going on.
Neon, allegedly, if you make over 2% of the account balance per day, it is supposed to wipe it off. Like you can only make, if you have a 100K account, you can only make 2,000 a day in the evaluation phase. But that's for the Forex. It's the pro accounts, right?
All right, guys.
3% of FVG has been AV today. Oh, you're not leaving yet.
Angel.
You're not leaving yet.
No, he's gonna Irish goodbye. So we're gonna see him off. So we can't Irish goodbye.
All right, Bob.
All right, guys. Give the stream a like for Ken. Thank you, Ken, for coming on and always running your awesome market analysis and talking about stuff and things and stuff. You can find the socials down in the description.
Thank you. See you guys.
You, Ken.
Bye.
Okay, that was quick. So see you guys.
Anything like on the charts right now? Like you trading, or is this just like a markup of an idea?
This is a markup. I'll still have some room on the April eval, so I can actually take a trade there. I cannot take any trades from the BAs because I already took a loss, so I'm done on that one. But if this aligns perfectly, I'm just gonna go to trade locker, and then I'm gonna take a long towards the 50%. I'm gonna risk whatever I have left because it's only 2.5% on daily drawdown, and I'll risk around 1% on that first trade. So we'll see if I have this gap on the M3. The price tap into this gap. I will log in on trade locker and take long towards the 50%. Okay. What do you think? Give me your thoughts on it.
Yeah, I think I'm a little bit annoyed with the market today because we're not really supposed to break both sides of the range, but we did. I'm already on trade locker. Just see whatever wants to play out here. I did kind of have an idea that we'd go up and engage POC by some point, or at least tap into that 4-hour gap above and then continue selling. But yeah, we'll see.
I like this, what we're forming here. I'm going to set a limit. If you can share your screen for a second so I can just open the trade locker. Thank you so much. All right. I took the exact same loss, Abby. I have to say, we're synchronized today.
Love being synchronized.
It was the same idea. I mean, it was the same idea, though. It was the same idea. The thing, it's actually not A+ in this case because we're rejecting out of the hourly gap. So it's a hard time frame point of interest that we have to keep in mind. So I will say it's actually a poor, kind of like a poor trade, not 100%. But it's not the best.
Here?
Actually, I need to find out how, but I was told I can't. Let me just log in on my account real quick.
Is there just like a trade locker? Maybe it's 2 words. Nope, doesn't have an option. I don't see it. Whatever. Unimportant. All right, yeah. So this is kind of the levels that I was watching before the market opened. Didn't expect it to break both sides of the range. But this is a 4-hour gap above. This is the POC. I don't think we have enough movement to get up in these areas. That would be really crazy.
It will be. Okay, I have the setup. I'm going to take this one.
Here, give me a second. You can take over.
Let's see if it happens, though, because we're already rejecting out of this. But if we have this retracement and we tap here, I'm going to protect this low. I like this low because this is some sort of order block right here. And I would like just the price to tap into the 50% of that retracement area. Really, really bad for me to short out of the hourly gap. I take it. It's my fault. It's no one else's fault.
What is that?
I'm going to show you guys. Because I took the initial short. This one right here. And then I took another short out of this, which got stopped. See all the fields because I was adding up because I'm still getting familiar myself with trade locker and the lot sizes. The account is up so far $200. This is the eval, the same eval that I had last week. I just traded. So let's see if we can actually get NQ pulling ES today. Cheek bowl. All right, I forget about the chat for a second. Okay, if we get that. If we get that, I'm just going to take it.
That's on NQ?
What is ES doing? He's not even taking out this high. Bushido, you're right. NQ is just pulling ES. It's leading though. Oh, we're tapping in the 50% of that gap or whatever that is. This is the only trade I'm sharing though.
Did you hear my cat?
Yeah. Oh, there's no donut today.
No, she's a little donutless. Hi.
Hello.
Let's see where we're trying to get up to. We get up to like 775. How do you place a TP on Trade Locker?
I think you see this. I just click here and here. And also, I'm starting the draft before placing the trade.
So you have to do it before. You can't do it after.
Mm-hmm. so I don't have to do it after. So I have an idea how much
after.
I'm risking. And yeah, I can do it after also, but I always love to have an idea how much I'm risking.
That's
here.
not what I'm asking, Angel.
What did you ask?
How do you do it after?
What? After you click on the trade, and then you'll see the exact same thing, but you have to click on the execution trade. If I had it, if I get the trade, I'll try to do it. Let's see if I can get the trade. This is exactly what happens when I take a trade, like out of the. I'm not on the stream, and I take a trade. I can take like more positions, but when I'm on the stream, I'm super careful, and I can just take like better trades. It's something that I cannot understand at all. But this one was my fault. This one should have been a better execution here. Yeah. So let's say I take a trade here. I'm gonna show you with 0.01. All right, 0.01. Okay. You see this? If you click here, then you add stop loss. You put the draft.
Right. I get that, but if you add the trade already, it's already there. It's already sitting there. You're in a trade. You want to add a TP and you want to walk away from the desk. How do you do it after you've already set the trade?
Okay, so the trade is set already, right? I have the execution here.
Gotcha.
This is the trade running.
Right.
You gotta click on the P&L that is actually moving. You see it on right here on the left.
Yeah.
So you click there.
Okay, I see.
Then it's gonna display stop loss and take profit.
So when it comes up as that, is that number gonna be the P&L or?
Yeah, that's the P&L. You gotta click on the P&L to display the levels that you want to have.
Ticks.
And there you go. You like it?
So if you change the number, let's say you want to do -200 and you want your P&L to be like 500.
Let me close this. Okay.
Okay. That makes sense.
Yeah, 100%. I don't usually do this after I post the trade. I'm pretty much having an idea how much.
No, because
what is the price?
I just tried to do it a couple times with like 0.1 or whatever. But yeah, I feel like that's a good thing to know. All right.
100%. So
okay, so it kind of.
show you.
Oh, wonder if you can go in and change it after.
So I'm just forecasting my ideas today. I took this short, then I took this loss, and then I just want to take a long right here. But I don't see it. I don't see it happening now. Oh, this was a great close on the M5. You remember, Abby, I always talk about this formation with the candles. This is so solid right here, just above the opening print. Like, it was just obvious. I missed it. Really wanted to see a retracement back, but I think it's not happening. No, it's not going to happen. Monday vibes. Happy Monday. Done with that account. Probably gonna work on an evil now. Yeah, that's beautiful, Bushido. Feels like we're gonna invite him one day to be a guest. What do you think, Abby?
Maybe. Gotta show me the transcripts.
You hear that? Angel, you ever trade S&P? No, I don't. I actually just look at ES for confluences to see what it's doing, to see who's leading. If there's an S&T, but I do not place any trades on it. I already tried before in the past. I got smacked every time, and then I understood it was not for me. So I'm just gonna stick to Nasdaq, and that's what I'm doing. Just
I
replying to this
actually
question
started
right
off
here.
trading.
And ES,
Mhm. Started off with ES. Wasn't really like interested in trading it later on, just because I like the quick movements and volatility of Nasdaq. But if the market ever gets too crazy, I will switch back over to ES.
okay, this is a beautiful close on ES. I'm not gonna lie. So we might just distribute higher. Where's this? Where's the 50%? Yeah, it's gonna tap first. It's gonna tap first.
Do you see this gap? Hold on. Let me look at something right now. Do you see this gap on, how do I remove this? There. Bye. Okay. Like this little gap in the,
No,
I mean,
I don't.
trading Nasdaq, are you?
Yeah, I am.
Oh. On the pro accounts? I don't know why I see a gap.
Pro accounts. I don't see any gaps. Is that, what time frame is that? Is this a M1?
1 minute.
No, I don't see any gaps.
That's really odd because that's what I base my entry off of. Why is that, like a or something?
What is that gap?
I don't know.
Very interesting though.
It works.
You're cool. You're actually running in profit. Okay, we're leaving without me. Why?
Yeah. I'm looking
Like,
for
brother, why?
I'm looking for it to just get up towards that 4-hour gap. My lord. I want nothing more than a nap right now. Do you drink coffee or anything?
Every morning, and I like black coffee, no sugar, kind of like espresso. That's what I like. But sometimes I had to quit because when I was drinking coffee before trading, right?
Right.
So as soon as I just sit on my desk, I was feeling kind of like anxious, you know. My heart was like boom, 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 boom.
Yeah.
I was like in speed, and I had to quit it because I thought it was the coffee. Maybe some people it's not like, you know, that's strong enough to drink coffee every single day.
I definitely had some times where adding coffee just made me like more stressed out. But now I don't know, I can drink a Red Bull and like several coffees and I'm fine. Just depends on where I'm at in life. Stress levels for sure.
Yeah, Café Bustel. Yeah, that's the one I actually get. Bushi, how do you know? How do you even know?
He knows where you live.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah. That's the one that we get. Bustelo. Yeah, that's a good one. I love Café Bustel. It's a good one. It's a definitely good one. Now, I had to switch for mate, so I was drinking mate, and
Herba mate?
I mean, it's different. You have to drink a couple times to start enjoying the mate, because the taste might not be the best. It's like a black tea. I don't know. It's kind of like, oh, but shit, I didn't know you're Puerto Rican. How come you don't speak Spanish though?
Who said he doesn't speak Spanish?
I think he said that last week.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Puerto Rican.
Yeah, Café Bustel is really nice. It's the best, I'll say. Oh, which coffee do you drink, Abby? Which one do you like?
I actually just like to drink just black, like cold brew.
Okay.
There's the cold brew that comes in the bottles from different stores. I honestly, I know this is going to be crazy, but I like the Starbucks one the dark roast Starbucks one, and I just drink that. I've tried other ones, and they just didn't taste the same. There's a cold brew from Trader Joe's, and it's kind of like eh. The one from Sprouts is just really not great. It's very bitter, but I love the Starbucks one.
Cold brew. I think I never tried that before. I'm actually gonna give it a try.
Movies. I just watched a movie in theater recently, Obsession. It was pretty crazy.
Is it good?
Yeah.
You like it?
It was interesting. Where's your TP at? What level? What's the number?
The 50% of the leg retracement. So as soon as we tap here, I think the day is on. So if we have a chance to get there, to
What's the
jump
number?
and get there, it's
I can't
29,800.
29,800.
29,800.
Do you think I should move my I don't even know if I need to make that much money, but if I should move my
I mean, you only need 2K. If you have 2K, you're gonna close.
Unless what? It's gonna like close me out for like it's gonna remove all profits for the day?
No, but if you already have 2K, well, would you just duct tape them?
I mean,
you have 2K, right? You have 2K running right now on the PNL, don't you?
Almost.
There's absolutely no way I just didn't have any chance to take it. Monday mood. Thing happens. Now I understand why my Claude was saying not to trade Mondays. It was all the time. Just do not trade Monday. He sent me a reminder today. Hey, Angel, quick reminder. Don't trade today. I was like, if I see something, I'll take it. No worries. I was like, dude, chill. And then I got clapped. Now I understand what happened.
Yeah, I'm actually upset that the trade didn't do well because like that was my funded accounts. I took a max loss unfunded, and that's like not a good way to start a Monday. It makes me want to just blow the accounts tomorrow.
Yeah, I got the same stop on the PA, so I understand. Gonna be here with you. And yes, Bashir, I'm using the feed from the all-time high towards Friday low. That's for me. It's like the new leg that we have. So discount is gonna be 50%. Already have a good movement right here. I think this is a good trade. This is look at this. This is 1050 macro. Look at when 1050 starts, which is here. 1050. We reject out of this M2 gap. We are above the opening print. We already rejected and did the manipulation lower. So there's no reason why we should not distribute for the rest of the day. And this is a solid target. So from here we can just chop and see if we're gonna start a rotation lower or who knows. Maybe. The idea of having a new daily gap and then taking previous day high between London and Asia and then going short tomorrow makes sense. I don't know, just hindsight, not a financial advice. Anyways. If we reacted this area, we have a lot of room down to the 50 DMA. What is that? What's a DMA?
And the DEMA.
What is it? Like a moving average?
What'd you say?
I guess no more trades for daily moving average. Okay. We might take another trade today, but I mean, it needs to be clean. I'm just not gonna jump out of it. Okay. We have something in 5 minutes.
You're in a trade already.
Oh yeah, Abby's already on a trade, actually.
You're in a trade too, no?
No, I'm not. I couldn't take it. I was waiting for a retracement for a couple points, and I didn't get it, and then we just flush straight higher. I like it. I like this gap right here, 50% of the retracement. If we can have this close and then tap into this gap on the M15, you can easily take one more trade. If it doesn't happen in 20 more minutes, then it's done. It's what it is. If we can tap there in 50 minutes, Anyways, Abby, can you show us your trade? It should be running nice.
All right, I'm not in it anymore. I just closed it.
You close it. You show the fills. Look at this, nice.
About like 2,000-ish, give or take. I don't really understand much about like the lot size, so I just put 5 on, risking like 50, I think, because that's what I would do normally with the.
Yeah.
I don't even know.
How much did you risk on the trade? 500?
Well, I filled at this like what I thought was a gap, but apparently it wasn't. It was just a glitch on the chart. But I got in a little pullback and then like here.
Okay.
And then I don't know. I feel like it's slowing down, but I was kind of targeting like 750-ish up here originally. And then I was trailing my stop, so I wasn't risking anything on the trade. Like I was up pretty quickly, and I just put it at like 200.
No, look, the fills are just beautiful. That's a lovely trade.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
I need to copy about Abby more often.
Right. No, except for I'm telling you, something about funded accounts, man. Like,
I know.
I can win trades in these all day long, but if it's a funded account, of course, it's going to be the one losing trade of the week. Anyways, we should run some giveaways. I feel like we got 221 viewers. Let's see how many likes we have on the video. We have 35 likes. I want to see like another 20, 30 likes on YouTube. And if we can get like, let's get to like 65 likes. If we get to 65 likes on YouTube, we can run some giveaways.
Yeah, they're growing. Guys, if you're on Twitter, on X, please just go to YouTube, hit on that like button.
What's Twitter? What's Twitter? I've never heard of that before. What's Twitter?
That's an old name for X that I was using a long time ago.
Yeah.
What's your favorite EA account types? I love the new EA Pro accounts. I'm not gonna lie. That's why I'm trading the Evos now. Because I really want to see how it will work once I'm start getting like daily payouts. And I don't mind just taking out of the buffer to get daily payouts. I mean, just sounds amazing. You might just hit take profit for the day, hit a payout. You hit take profit, you hit a payout. But it's not that easy. You need to build a buffer to actually do that. The right way to do it. Otherwise, you're just going to take a payout and then you're going to blow the account right away. I don't want to do that. I want to do it right so I can start taking it like long term.
Good morning. You know what? I think tomorrow's going to be a very boring day for me. I think I'm going to not take the first trade. I'm going to sit out the first trade and take the second trade. So pretty much I'm probably not even going to trade until way later, if at all. Because I cannot like get into a funded account and then take max loss.
I mean, if you have your dealer risk, you're respecting that. It's just a matter of time, you know? But yeah, I get it. I get it 100%. But I think just tomorrow we're gonna be better. We just traded on Monday, no news after 400 points A-shop, 1,000 points out Friday. So don't take it that, long.
All right, we're at 44 likes. Let's get to 65 so we can run a giveaway.
20 more, guys. 20 more likes. We're 200 people here.
Yeah, 200 people.
Go to YouTube, hit the like button, make it to 65, and Abby's gonna give away accounts.
Oh yeah, and we've had a couple people come back and try to switch accounts. So you're gonna get the pro accounts. You're gonna get the 25K pro accounts if you're Forex. If you're futures, you're not. You're gonna get futures accounts. So just let me know. Obviously, if you want futures or Forex. That's pretty much it. Pro accounts. That's what we're doing for Forex. $46 likes. Let's go. Well, thanks everybody for tuning in on a Monday. It's been a really, really slow day, and no news, no fun. You want
Can
to
we
trade?
see all-time highs again? You say what, Abby?
Did you have any positions that were winners?
Not today, no. No, I mean only the first one. The first trade that I took was actually ran fairly nice, which was this one right here. When we rejected out of the opening print, and we have this. It was actually short. I knew I should have taken all of it on the daily gap. The hourly gap. Look at this hourly gap.
Yeah. See, sometimes like being on stream is a little bit like hard because I feel like I have to take a trade. Where we have people watching.
Yeah, definitely.
There's that pressure to take a trade on stream, and had it not been live on stream, I probably would have sat out because I was just watching it chop during the open. So like there was no trend set up. It was just like, okay, this is a valid trade, but it's so frustrating because it's my funded accounts. So frustrating. But
the good point is, like, at the beginning of the stream, you actually were looking for longs. I'm not sure if you remember, but you were trying to long.
I had my bias set up. Like, great point.
So that goes right straight to the journal for today, because you were long.
I'll show you too. I'll show you guys what I was
coming into the morning.
Yesterday, I met with one of the people that I've been kind of helping coach, and I marked out this level, which is the POC, and I marked out this 4-hour gap, and I was like, that's where we're going. And then this morning we started selling off a little bit in the open. We chopped, sold off, broke the bottom of the range. I was like, all right, well, I guess that was it. We tapped into an hourly gap over here, and then we started selling, and I was like, I guess we're just gonna like sell off more, and then maybe we'll come back up later and engage this area. But sometimes you just gotta like sit on your hands and be patient, because this is a perfect example. I had an overall bullish bias. I definitely think it's gonna tap into this area at some point today, and then we're gonna like see more of a sell-off. Imagine we didn't. Imagine we just go back to all-time highs.
I mean, it could happen. I mean, we're always 50-50.
Oh yeah.
Regardless.
Yeah. Guys,
there was a question.
I just dropped the link for the YouTube. If you're tuned in on, what is it? Twitter? What do you call it? Twitter?
Well, X. You can call it X.
You can
also call it Twitter.
If you're tuned in on X, click the link. Go hit a like on the bottom of the screen, and we're gonna get some giveaways going. You can start the process of doing the giveaway, and then when we hit 65 likes, we will pull the names. Right?
You're right. Yes, you're right.
Right, sir. I'm going to change my screen real quick. Let me see if I can walk people through how to do this. Actually, I don't know how. Do you know how to do the level up thing?
Yeah, I can do it. If you guys have an account, just DM me your details, and I'll just do it for you.
That's a lot of work, Angel. Just have them do it. We have 10 minutes.
Okay. You mean to do it directly? So you have to go to your dashboard on EA, the website. You gotta be verified.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah. Hold on a second. Hold on a second, so I can just go to announcement. It rolls. Let me just change the window.
So if you're on the YouTube stream, you'll have an opportunity for a giveaway. If you're on Twitter, you're not going to have an opportunity to join that. Basically, what you're going to do is, here's the link, dropping it one more time. Go to the YouTube, click the like button, and under the description, you're actually going to see where our Discord link is, and you're going to join the Discord for E8 Markets. Once you join the Discord, Angel is going to walk you guys through how to enter that giveaway.
All right. Can you guys see my screen, right?
One moment.
Okay. So here are just tabs to get your role on our Discord. You got to open your E8 dashboard, go to user settings, and then click on connections. If you click on the top right with your name, you'll see the user settings section. You click there, you see the connections, and you need to connect the E8 dashboard with your Discord. And all you need to do is just come to Discord on any channel and type /level up. And you'll have a role automatically in like 2 minutes. Right? 2 minutes. But we need 13 likes. Actually, even more. It's 18 because we have 47. Is that clear enough?
You talking to me?
Yeah. What do you think?
Let me see if I can do it live, because no. I feel like it's just really
Why isn't it working? I'm not sure if Bashir is trolling, but he might be.
All right. So walk me through this. So I go into the E8, go to get roles, and then you're going to open the E8 dashboard. Where is that?
That's on the website. EA website.
On the E8 website.
That's your dashboard.
So I'm going to E8's website.
And then on the user settings of your dashboard, on the website, there's an option to connect your Discord with your dashboard. So you can actually read it. You have accounts, if you pass the challenge, if you're on the challenge,
all right.
all that stuff.
So user settings.
Connections, connected with Discord.
I don't see that. It's not an option. You're saying e8markets.com?
Yep.
Don't have that as an option. I understand why people can't get into this.
Why?
Because it's
Philip said that he didn't receive his account from the giveaway last week. There's no way because I sent you an account. Philip, that's not possible, my friend.
You have record of everything on the back end, so.
Yep, I do. Let me check actually.
Let me also. All right. All right, let's see if it works. Cool. Done. All right, that's hectic. Start the giveaway, Angel.
Yep, I'm gonna do it right away. Just give me a second. All right, so on the game chat.
Philip did not. Just for the record, he did not receive it because I just got his DM right now. I'll send it over.
Okay.
Philip, if you could, he said he trades. Okay, he trades crypto. So we're gonna do a pro account, right? Pro
Yep.
account.
Crypto.
And Angel, this is his information. MT5, I'm guessing. That's the thing or no?
I mean, what's a good code for the giveaway?
Let's do
Good luck.
Mondays. Just Mondays.
Monday. All right.
All right, so
All right, guys.
I did this.
Abby?
It took a minute and a half. All right. So in order to join the giveaway, you have to go to our YouTube. You have to like the video. You have to join the Discord. Once you join the Discord, go to e8markets.com and you're going to attach your Discord to your E8 Market accounts. And then you're going to go back to Discord. You're going to /level up. And you should be able to join that giveaway. We're going to put the code in the Discord. And again, you can only participate if you level up your Discord to connect it, whatever.
Also, guys, now that you're joining Discord, we're running a new event on our Discord about the World Cup, the FIFA World Cup. We're going to do predictions, and we're going to be giving away a lot of E8 Pro accounts. If you're looking forward to request daily payouts, to trade with a static drawdown, and to just have an account for free, you can participate and get new accounts. So good luck to everyone, and do not forget to join. It's going to be great. I'm also going to participate. This is great. What are you supporting any team for the World Cup, Abby? Italy, maybe?
No, I don't really care. I don't really watch any of that.
Italy didn't qualify, actually, this year.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah. Why don't you support any teams? You need to pick one.
Me?
Yeah, you have to.
I don't
It's a must.
Honestly. Yeah, I don't really watch football like that.
Good luck, Abraham. Okay, good luck, everyone. Just let me know, Abby, and I can just pull that list out of the Discord. We'll still need 12 likes to make it to 60.
Yeah, once
everyone on X.
Once we hit 60 likes, we'll run a giveaway. 60 likes on YouTube. 60 likes on YouTube. Yeah.
Nice. Bashir, are you supporting any country for the World Cup? I think Spain could win. Portugal also has a great team to win the World Cup. Brazil. France is crazy. Doesn't make any sense, that team. USA. All right, got it. Can we tap here?
Brazil will get dusted.
What? I mean, it's Neymar last dance, so they have a great team. They have Rafinha, Neymar, Vini. It's a great team so far. I don't think Argentina is gonna make it again. I mean, to compete, they don't have Di Maria, so it's gonna be hard for them.
Not Venezuela, Argentina. It was Italy and Argentina last year, right? Or last time.
The last World Cup, Argentina won the last World Cup.
Mm-hmm. I remember watching that.
Right. England, they have a great team also, but they might. I mean, what are we doing here? So we have this level. We gotta reject this level. Keep in mind we're heading into lunch. Tap in here. What is this? What is this? Oh my god, just Monday per section. That's the 20 DMA area where we're rejecting. Yeah, it makes sense, Bushido. I still want to see one more drive higher. Being completely honest. From here. One more drive higher. I like this. I can risk like 1K. See if I can risk like 1K.
Are you getting along?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it along here.
Nice.
Okay, here. Risking 1K and just looking for the 50% area. Where is it?
Yeah, let's go. We still need to get 5 more likes on the video. We did say 65. Okay, so Vikram in the group, you're asking how to get into the giveaway. You have to have an account on E8 Markets and you have to have a Discord. So you have to go into your account on E8 Markets, into the user settings, connect your Discord. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see the code. Is it what, in the general chat?
Yeah, it's in the gaming chat actually.
The gaming chat. You'll see the code in the gaming chat. Code in the gaming chat. Code in the gaming chat. And with that code in the gaming chat, you will enter the code one time. One time. But if you haven't liked the
Monday.
if you haven't liked the stream, don't join the giveaway because
we have 61 likes.
I might go look. I might look through it. I don't feel you like the stream. I might have to dismiss the giveaway. I'm kidding. We want everybody to have a chance. Everybody to have a chance, even if you're not supporting our stream. You know. Also kidding. All right. Throw me the list, please.
All right, let's do it.
If you missed out today, you can pull up tomorrow. We'll be here. Monday through Friday. Monday through Friday. We'll be on stream. If you're just tuning in, drop a like on the YouTube. We're getting to 65 likes, 65 likes, 65 likes. Thank you.
I need 3 more, guys. I'm not pulling that list without 3 more likes. Code Monday.
Code is Monday. In the game chat. In the game chat. Doug in the game chat.
Look at this.
Literally in the game chat. Like you can click.
Code Monday. All right. We have 1 more like and we can do it. And I'm going to pull the list. 1 more.
Could you do me a favor or anybody, I don't know, at some point today, make sure that people can't talk in the game chat because when they start talking, it moves everything. Guys, don't talk in the game chat.
RSL. Yeah, we're rejecting out of this area for sure. Taking out the previous hourly high. I'll still want to see 1 more drive higher, which is why I'm giving it a try. Completely fine if I get stopped. I mean, it was something that was telling me it was not my day. But when you see it, you have to click it. Okay.
Fingers crossed for you.
66. All right. Yep. Let's do it.
All right. Discord?
Yep, I'm gonna send you on Discord. We have 26 people today to participate on our stream.
Beauty and grace.
There you go.
Thank
Good
you.
luck to everyone.
If you didn't make the giveaway, we'll be here Monday through Friday. We do them every day, so we definitely want you guys to participate. But in order to participate, you do have to have an account on E8 Markets, and you do have to have a Discord, and you have to connect them in the settings of E8 Markets, okay? So if you do that, you'll be able to join our giveaways. And like I said, we want everybody that's tuning in to have equal opportunities at getting these accounts because we drop them every day.
And tomorrow we have a great stream. Great guest also. So make sure to join tomorrow.
What do you think? Duck race? Chat, duck race or
Yeah.
duck race? I feel like it's a Monday. It's a Monday. We should have a duck race. Who's on deck for tomorrow? Her name is Isabella.
Isabella, yeah. She's a great trader. I've seen before a couple times. It's going to be super interesting. Super great stream.
All right, I am pasting the list. Let me share my screen. You're in a trade?
Yeah, I'm this trade right here. I think kind of like bottom tick here because I have a better feel on the trade locker. Protecting this low. So I just want to see the 50% retracement is slightly above that high. And then once we tap here, I'm going to be out. I'm out. I'm out of the trade. It's fun.
What, this 29,400 level? Or
Yep.
29...
29,800. 29,800 is going to be my take profit.
Nice. All right, let's run this giveaway.
Let's do it.
Give me a second to like reshare my screen. Share screen. Window. Chrome tab. Not Chrome tab. Yes. Okay. All right, guys. How many seconds should we do? Oh. Like a 45?
Yeah, 45. That's fair. So, yeah, let's do it.
Oh, 44.
Yeah, it's fine. All right, good luck, everyone.
Remember, you can only win one a week. So if you win one and you already win one, we have to, Is my screen lagging?
No, it's completely fine.
I see.
Okay, now it's lagging a little bit. Yeah, now it's lagging a little bit.
Yeah, right. Again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. If you are part of the giveaway, you're going to be able to collect that by DMing me on Discord and send me your username that you, Marcio Santiago. Marcio.
Congratulations, Marcio. That's great.
Yeah, I know.
Happy to see you with your free account.
Yes, so please DM me, Marcio, with your E8 Markets email for your account, and we'll get that over to you. Please let me know if you trade Forex, crypto, or future, and then we'll assign you the appropriate account. Guys, we're here Monday through Friday. Thank you again so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, please like the stream. All of our socials are down below. You can find Ken, Angel, myself, and feel free to shoot us a follow. But we'll be back here tomorrow, market open. and every day after that, Monday through Friday.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Before everyone go, I'm going break even here. I have a beautiful displacement out of my trade.
Right quick.
Here.
Yep.
So
you got your break even?
Yeah, hold on. I'm just gonna do that just to show you. We're putting break even here. Everything was there. I have what I need to see from here. I don't want to see a rejection back down here. And I just won the 50% retracement on this leg. So let's see if we can have that for the rest of the day. Beautiful. All right. Thanks, everyone. It was a pleasure. Cut show tomorrow.
I also have to say I was silently sniping that little move as well. So this account's up to like 10,000.
My godness.
I did that because I was with you on that one. But all right, guys, have a wonderful day. If you're still trading, it is a Monday. There's no news. Don't let yourself get chopped up. We unfortunately took a loss on on our first trade funded accounts, but yeah, just play it safe, sit on your hands, and join us tomorrow. Hopefully Tuesday, Wednesday will be a lot better for trading. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye-bye, guys. Take care.